In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in Zoho CRM as part of our full 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, customizing your CRM can help streamline your processes and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Module tab within Zoho CRM. Think of modules as the building blocks of your CRM, housing all the information categories you and your team need. Now, your first step is to click on the Setup option in the upper right corner of your dashboard. This area is your control center for tailoring the CRM to better fit your operations. Once you're in the Setup area, find the Customization tab. Customization allows you to adapt Zoho CRM's environment to reflect the unique needs of your business. From here, the next step is to click on Modules and Fields. This is where we'll add the new fields, and this interface gives you a clear picture of how your data entry points are currently organized. Next, you'll need to select the specific module you want to edit. With multiple modules such as leads, contacts, or potentials, your CRM can be finely tuned by adjusting each one to represent the data that's most vital to you. After selecting the appropriate module, click on Fields. This takes you to the layout editor where you can see existing fields and where potential changes could be applied. To add a new field, you simply click on Create and Edit Fields. This is your launchpad to a myriad of field types, from text boxes to drop-downs, each designed to capture different formats of information. Select the field you want to add, taking into consideration what information is crucial for your operation's success. Whether it's a new text box for customer preferences or a date field for deadlines, choose the one that best aligns with the needs of your module and business. Once you've selected and customized your new field to suit your needs, don't forget the final step: clicking on Save. Saving your changes applies the new field to your module, ensuring that it's ready for action during data entry. This seamless integration means that the important information you and your team need is right where you need it, when you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new field in Zoho CRM, enhancing your customer relationship management to better serve your business goals. Now, it's time to go ahead and try these steps out for yourself. Customizing your CRM can make a world of difference in your daily workflow, giving you greater control and clarity over your business processes. Happy customizing, and see you in the next tutorial.